Okay, so I wanted to create a video just on graphing inequalities because I noticed some common mistakes. And so the first thing when graphing an inequality is we need to graph the line. So when graphing linear inequality, we always look on the side of the 3x where the x is. So we want y. We want to make sure we get y by itself. Okay, so just like we would graph a linear line. Now, our next key to know what type of graph we need to draw is our inequality sign, okay? And so our inequality sign tells us our line is not included, and so that's why we have this dashed line right here for our equation, okay? After that, we now need to shade in the area for the inequality, okay? So when we go to shade in, we look at the y, okay? So we're just going to look at the y. We see that y is less than, so that means y is always going to be smaller, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just roughly shade in, okay? Doesn't need to be perfect, but I'm going to shade in the area that the inequality takes up, okay? And now on the work, it says we need to identify a solution within the set. And so that means I just want to identify a coordinate that exists in this point. So I can pick any point. So let's say I pick here, this is 1 point, right? So this is the point 5, 5. Well, that's in the area, but I also could have picked this one right here, which then is 6 or 4, 6. Okay, and the way I know that both of these work is I now use my inequality, so I test it. So I'm going to go 3, I replace my x with 5, plus 2, it needs to be greater than 5, 3 times 5, plus 2, 5, so I get 17 is bigger than 5, okay? And so that's how I can test to see if my point works within my inequality, okay?